In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can take a screenshot on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So the first method that you can use is you can just hold the power button and the volume up button together. And once you click these two buttons together, it's going to take a screenshot. Now the second method is you go to settings and then scroll down and click accessibility over here. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll down and then click this touch option that you'll find under physical and motor. Once you click this option, it's going to pop up with this menu. Here you have to click this assistive touch option on the top. Once you do so, you simply have to turn it on, and you can customize your top level menu by clicking over here, and then you can just choose what options you need over here. You can reset these, or you can just click this plus sign and just add screenshot over here. Just click this plus sign, and then you can just click this plus over here, and here you can just choose screenshot from the list. Here you have this screenshot option. Click it and then click tick on the top right corner, and you're good to go. So the second method that you can use is you use a custom action like double tap. Click this double tap option, and here scroll down and then choose this option screenshot in the list. Once you select this option and then double tap on your assistive touch, it's going to take a screenshot. So now if you click this back option over here, it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, scroll down, and here you'll find this option back tap. Click this option, and here you have to click double tap or triple tap. Just choose the tab that you want and click it. And then you have to scroll down, and here you have this system list over here. You simply have to choose screenshot. And once you do, just go back and then just double tap on the back of your iPhone, and it's going to take a screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on iPhone.